Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy your Steam profile link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam application and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can see your game library, achievements, and other profile information. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find various profile options and settings. Click on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can customize your Steam identity and make changes to how your profile appears to other users on the platform. Once the Edit Profile section opens up, you'll need to locate the custom URL field. This is an important feature that allows you to personalize your profile link instead of using the default numerical Steam ID. Directly below the custom URL field, you'll see your actual profile link displayed. This is the full URL that others can use to visit your Steam profile directly, and it's what you'll be copying in the next steps. Now it's time to copy your link. Start by clicking at the very beginning of the URL where it says HTTPS and drag your cursor all the way to the last character or number at the end of the link. Make sure you've highlighted the entire URL without missing any part of it, as copying an incomplete link won't work properly. Once everything is highlighted, right-click on the selected text. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Copy. Your Steam profile link is now saved to your clipboard and ready to be pasted wherever you need it, whether that's sharing it with friends, adding it to a gaming forum, or posting it on social media. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied your Steam profile link and can now share your gaming profile with anyone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.